Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, let me remove this glass. My name is Festus Imawale, the importation expert. This week, I'm going to be sharing you tips on importation. A lot of you have been asking me, sending me DMs on my WhatsApp and the rest of them, asking me, how do you pay your agents on 1688? So today, I'm going to introduce you to what we call Alipay. So follow me to the class. Let's tell you how it works. Okay, the first thing you want to do is, first of all, you need to install Alipay app on your phone. Alipay app from Google Play Store. Locate it from your menus, the list of your application on your phone. Tag Alipay. You can see that on my phone. Then you click to open. Now, when the app opens, the next thing you want to do is to locate where the right tourpass at the top side left. Tourpass. Meanwhile, you must have registered on it. Now, remember, registration is free. You have to upload your details as required. You just sign up. Now, after signed up, you will need to do some verification process. Maybe that will be in our next video. Now you click on the tourpass, it opens your account directly. It shows me what you're seeing now is the amount I have credited. I click on top up. On the top up, they ask me which method I want to use to enter my top up. I enter my MasterCard details. My MasterCard details, if you are from Nigeria or anywhere you're watching this video from, you just entered your card details like as I'm entering. Sorry, I have to cover up my account details. So why I'm doing that, you have to know that Alipay basically is used to make payment on any of the Chinese websites, whether you are using 1688 or Alibaba or as the case may be. Now, I haven't done that. I just have to enter my card details. After entering my card details, I click on add. Haven't add, you see my card has been displayed among the list of cards. Then the next thing I need to do now is to type the amount of money I want to top up. Let's assume I'm loading that. I just click on the card I want to top, and you can see as it's going. And you watch it while it said me successful. At the end of the day, the money is top up. That is how it is being done. And I want to appreciate your patience for watching. Like our videos and subscribe for more lectures.